Welcome. In this video, we'll see penetration testing two types, that is black box and white box. First, let us see black box. The main difference with the black box testing is the testers are given very little or no information prior to the penetration test. It is also referred to as blind testing because the tester has to find an open route to access network. White box. White box is when the tester is given full disclosure about the network prior to the penetration testing. This will include IP addresses, source code, network protocols, and diagrams, also known as full disclosure testing. Now let's see pros and cons of black box and white box testing. In black box penetration test, the attacker will be unfamiliar with the network, which is generally more realistic to everyday penetration attacks or hacks. White box testing would indicate result if you had a threat from inside the network that was using knowledge of your network, such as IP addresses, router accesses, active ports, web servers, FTP, and even passwords. A black box tester will not have this information. So that's all about type of penetration testing. Thank you for watching this video.